V-tech Shoe Adhesive is specially formulated for repair of shoe joints. It bonds well on leathers and soft plastic materials, such as polyurethane. Unlike many other shoe adhesives with a yellowish appearance, V-tech Shoe Adhesive comes in clear color for easy matching with your shoes. To repair a broken shoe, use V-tech Shoe Adhesive, a clean rag, a brush, a sharp tool, and tape. Step 1. Clean the whole shoe including its underneath and wait until it's dry. Step 2. Puncture the tube, then re-screw the cap onto the tube for easy application. Step 3. Apply shoe adhesive on both sides of the bonding area, then spread the adhesive with a brush. Step 4. Press the shoes firmly with your hands for at least 30 seconds. It is recommended to put used paper inside the shoe to hold its shape, especially for shoes made of canvas. Step 5. Wrap the shoe with tape with sufficient pulling strength to hold the shoe firmly. Let it set for 24 hours. Once the adhesive is fully cured, it will form an elastic bond that can withstand stresses from normal to extensive sports movements, making it ideal for most type of shoes. It is also resistant to water and extreme heat on the ground. Your shoe repair made easy with V-tech Shoe Adhesive. V-tech, formulated for the professionals.